We're moving house and right now we're getting everything ready for the photographer. Our landing hallway originally had carpet, but with 6 cats, it wasn't exactly looking or smelling its best. It was the same carpet from when we first moved in, and after years of wear and tear, the cats, it was just manky. A couple of days before the photographer was due, I spontaneously decided to rip up the carpet. My husband was dead set against the idea of replacing it. He said there was no point spending money since the next owners will probably change it and we will need the money for the move. But I thought first impressions matter, and it didn't feel fair to leave a dirty old carpet. This is definitely not sponsored, just one of my spontaneous last minute projects, because I am the queen of chaos. But I'll link whatever I used, because honestly I was really impressed. I went for peel and stick vinyl tile things. I had used some previously from a TikTok shop and the brand was called Living and Home. I used that outside my bedroom where my makeup station is because I did make a mess, and they worked beautifully. But I needed something fast, so I ordered these from Amazon. They cost just under £50, a little bit pricey than TikTok, but it was worth it for the next day delivery. Whilst my husband was out doing the food shop, I got started because it's better to ask for forgiveness than permission sometimes. They're really easy to work with. For tricky spots like door frames, I used sticky tape to trace the shape, stuck it onto the panel and cut with scissors. You could use a Stanley blade, but I'm clumsy and even knocked over the can of Coke right at the beginning of the video, so scissors kind of felt safer. The trick is not pressing them down until you're absolutely sure, because you can lift and reposition them. But once they're in place, I press them firmly. Towards the end, my husband came home with some Mickey Donalds for a little break, and this is rare, but he actually admitted he was wrong, and I was right. He said, "Do you know what? I'm going to admit I was wrong on this one, and this was totally the right call. They look really good." So this is a message. Listen to your wife. She is always right. We're going to be finishing with some silicone seal around the edges to finish it off and give it a more polished look. But honestly, you wouldn't even know these aren't real tiles or wood. Downstairs we've got proper clicking wood effect flooring, but over time it's swelled where water got in little spots. With vinyl or this lino stuff, you wouldn't have that issue. It's flexible, easy to clean and looks just as nice. I know the new owners might change it, maybe even put carpet back, but for under £50 this freshens up the space, gives a first great impression, and that's what matters. We love this house, and it was a new build when we first moved in, and we've had so many happy memories here, from Christmases to everyday family moments. Saying goodbye will be bittersweet, but we want to hand it over looking its best. Hopefully the new family can move straight in and feel at home without facing a manky carpet from day one. So yes, this little project was the right call. The photographer is coming tomorrow. Wish us luck. This is just another small step in this big moving journey.